Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm using the Aurora AcryGel from Nailchemy in soft white on the ring finger, as that's going to be the finger I'm applying my decals to, and in Nude Shimmer on the remaining nails. So I'm going to squeeze out the amount that I wish to use and use my polygel brush and some isopropyl alcohol as my slip solution. So I'm going to push the product up to the cuticle and blend it all down and smooth it all out and cure for 60 seconds. Once that's cured in the lamp and I've filed into shape, I'm going to be coming in with my decals, which I'm using the Flamingo Tropical Birds. So I'm going to cut up my chosen decals and soak them on a cotton pad for 10 to 15 seconds. And then apply a base coat onto the nails, which will help me move the decals around without them creasing or tearing. And when I'm happy with that, I'll pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. At the same time of me applying my base coat and my decals, I'm going to come in with Incandescent Shine's foil gel on the rest of the nails, as I'm going to be coming in with a tropical foil on these. It will need curing in the lamp for 60 seconds before you apply the foil. So once I've done that, I'll come back for full application. Once that's come out of the lamp, I'm going to apply my foil onto the nails. I did start using my finger to rub it on, but then I went onto a silicone tool, which I found easier. Once I'm happy with that, I'll then top cut off camera, and I did come in with some crystals, and that'll be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!